Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of the giant called Clickup, which is the everything app for work. In other words, the everything app you need for your entire work. Get everyone working in a single platform designed to manage any type of work, any type at all. It is free forever, no credit card. You can get started for free. So let's do a quick review of it. You see, Clickup is a comprehensive project management and productivity platform that aims to be an all-in-one workspace for teams. It offers a wide array of features designed to manage tasks, projects, documents, communication, and more in a single place. The key strengths are highly customizable, feature-rich, yes, it's very feature-rich, strong free plan, and consolidation. Now, the potential weaknesses are steep learning curve, occasional performance issues, and complexity. In brief, what I'm trying to say is Clickup is a powerful and highly flexible platform suitable for teams looking for a specialized workspace with a wide range of features to manage diverse workflows. Its strength lies in its customization and features, offering a compelling free plan. However, its complexity and occasional performance hiccups might be a barrier for those seeking a very simple and immediately intuitive solution. It's best suited for teams willing to invest the time, set it up, and learn its capabilities to consolidate their work. Hope you found this video helpful. If you want to know more about it, you can contact sales over here. Sign up and get started for free today.